Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have matte black AirPod 2 clones. Company was nice enough to send these out for review, so that's what we're going to do. So the box is pretty minimalistic. It's just a black box with a gold little outline of the AirPods. This is basically a clone of the second version, so I'm pretty sure it has wireless charging. Let's go ahead and open this. The shipping was very fast. Links in the description to buy it. It took 2 days to arrive. It could vary depending on where you live, but it took 2 days for me for it to arrive, which is pretty good. So let's go ahead and open this. Here it is, wireless headset quick start guide, 2019. So yeah, it's the user manual, and you get to learn how to connect the device. All right, so here are the matte black AirPods. Let's go ahead and open them. They're kind of stuck. There we go. They feel nice. Even with the gloves on, they feel nice. Wow. All right, so let's put that to the side. There's nothing else in there. And then right here we have the charging cable, which is the lightning. That's pretty cool. All right, let's put everything to the side and let's go into the AirPod 2s. So they look really similar to regular AirPods. They have wireless charging, I believe. Maybe not, but they have the little green dot, just like the AirPod 2s. These ones are the AirPod 1s. These are authentic. These are AirPod 1s, but they are very similar. So it obviously doesn't have the design by Apple in California because these are matte black AirPods, but they look really good. They even have the writings on the sides, just like the real ones. So as you can see, the right and the right, they look very similar. The only difference is basically just the color. Everything else is exactly 1-to-1. I'm very shocked. Whoops. Let's go ahead and test the sound out, but first let's compare to other. So this is the AirPod clone. So it's shorter, obviously, so it's a lot smaller than that. It's the same size for regular AirPods. It's smaller than the Antares NT12s. It is a lot smaller than the Huawei T10Cs, and it is obviously a lot smaller than the Mozart TW-SO1s. So they are very good in size. I'm really impressed. Basically just regular AirPods. It's going to be very convenient. I'm actually going to probably use these if they really sound good. We're going to go ahead and test that out right now. So we're going to go ahead and test out the sound. Okay, wow. So they sound really good. Like, not even joking, they sound really good. They don't feel heavy. They feel literally the same exact as AirPods. Like, I'm not being paid to say this, but if I were, I would obviously be saying it. But they literally 1-to-1 scale, 1-to-1 sound, 1-to-1 look, 1-to-1 like heaviness. Like, these both weigh the same. The only difference is this is black and this is matte. It feels really good. It's really small, really, really small. And guess what? They fit other AirPod cases as well. So if you have an AirPod case, you can just throw it on there, boom. And I threw it the wrong way, but you get the idea. See? There you go. So it's 1-to-1 scale, really good. The magnet feels a little bit quieter, but it still feels really good. I'm obsessed with these guys. They should have made, or they should have sent these a long time ago. This would have been really cool. But I'm glad they still sent them because these really do sound good. I don't know, I might just switch. I mean, obviously I switch earbuds every single day. depending on which ones I want to use. But yeah, we're going to be testing wireless charging right now. If the light turns blue, then we have wireless charging on deck. So I'm not sure which way it would be. Do you see that, guys? Wireless charging on deck. For less than $50, you're getting literal AirPods. Just black. Like something Apple should have made at a way, way cheaper price. That's amazing. I'm actually very, 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 very shocked. They sound good. They sound just basically the same as AirPods, the same bass. Like I can compare both of them in my ears right now. They sound okay. Actually, the right side, which is the black pods, I guess. They're a little bit noise canceling. I'm not sure if that's the materials being used because it's matte, or if what, but they do a little bit good of noise isolation, not active noise cancellation, but they sound really good. Good bass for all you bass lovers out there. They sound really good. They're more comfortable than the Huawei T10Cs, and they are just as comfortable as AirPods. They are more comfortable than the Interest D12s, better sounding than the Interest D12s. They sound really good. These ones are my favorite, but obviously nothing will beat that, even though I haven't used it in a while. But they sound really good. You have freaking wireless charging for less than $50. That's crazy. These are basically just AirPod 2s just painted black in matte. That's really cool. I'll leave a link in the description. Please buy it. Obviously, I'm not getting paid to do this. I have honest reviews every single day. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. It only takes 5 seconds to do so. Thank you for watching.